Oh, what's up, my people? My name is Arnest Digits, and today, for the first time, you're seeing my face. I've been doing most of my videos without my face. Now, today, you can see me, and I want to share with you three things or four about Moshop, and which you have not discovered is that how to use your icon on share button and even social media icons to share out your products. If you want to sell and you want to share them out easily, you can do that on the Moshop application. Today I want to show you this application. This is where my commissions are. Sorry, I showed you my secret. It's 172 already. It's out. Let me just talk about it. It's already 172 shillings. Then I have 112 shillings on underlying commission. All right, I can withdraw any amount I feel like, and as you can see my invitation list. I'm going to 70 members, so you can also join me with clicking on the link in the description below. Now let me take you back to what our topic today is. And if you love this content, if you love to see how you can make money from home, if you want to make a business with the permanent solution, now this is Arnest Digits. I'm sharing apps and sites that can help you to make money online. With Moshop is #1 accredited, sure, and also how can I say, trusted way of what I believe you can also start making money online. Now, with the products which are physical, with the products which are sure, with the products which are the best in town, now this is one of my favorite applications which I do my own sales online. Right now, I want to share with you using these icons. As you can see, let's look at these fashion men handbag, vintage trends, PU leather, retro messenger bag. Now this one, it's about how to share out. How are you going to sell this? How are you going to sell this bag here? You see, how are you going to sell it? This one here. I want to show you the simplest way that Moshop has given us for us to start selling this bag. Simple. Are you there? Do you love me? Then click the like button or share this content with your friends. Then I know you love me. Or else give me a comment below. What type of products do you want to sell? What are some of the things you're missing on Moshop app? And then we shall do that for you. Now on this bag, they say minimum commission of 89 shillings. And then it's going at 1,799 shillings. But how are you going to sell that? That's the question. How about selling this? It's already on the application. Now, there are four items here I want to show you. 4 icons here. As you can see, there is an arrow, the first one. Click on one, and then I show you, and then you'll do the rest. Now, when you click on WhatsApp, it's going to show you two items. You can copy the description and also share the image itself. Now when I click on share button, it's going to share the description, and at the same time it's going to share the image, but not the price. Pay attention here. Pay attention. It's going to share the image but not the price. Now that's where you come in as a sales representative, or what comes in your mind when you see such an item without the price, which means you'll make another, you can tag the price that you feel. Make sure you get what was earlier before on Moshop. It was 1,799. Sell it at 2,200. Last price 2,000. And then when someone buys, you can go back and start doing, let's share this one now, and start reselling from there. When someone orders something, you can just share like that, and then go to Moshop, order for him, get profit and commissions. All right, you'll get the commission from direct commission of 89 shillings. At the same time, you'll get the profit. At the same time, you're going to get what we call direct commission to your amount. All right, I'll show you in the commissions button when we get there. Now you can still share on Facebook. The second part, they say the catalog is copied. You see, so when the catalog is copied, it really automatically sends you right away to Facebook. Now you can edit your image if you don't want people to use it anywhere else. You can edit the image by adding in your contact, adding in what you want, and the price. Remember the price that you discussed earlier before. Now This is how it is. You can now paste. Let me see. You see, I've already pasted the description, and that is it. Now let's sell this one. 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 I think where is the post? Where is that? You click the icon, the post, and then there you go. Now you'll be taken back again automatically to our Moshop, and then share out different items. The arrow down here, it shows that you can download all this, the images, to your phone, and then when someone wants, you can share them out again to different social media platforms. And at the same time, let me show you, there's other thing about how to share them and on when you're writing a sales copy, you can share them out, or when you're sharing out to Twitter, you can do that. Because Moshop has no Twitter, you can do that even on your Instagram, right? And then LinkedIn also brings in more leads and then more sales. So my name is Arnest. If you love this video, let me know what other products do you love? What other products do you want Moshop to include? Where are you stuck? We have our WhatsApp group that's doing very well, and we are showing you how you can do more sales with this application and other sales programs that are going on. Moshop is #1 Africa reselling application. My name is Arnest Digits. Thank you for subscribing. And today I have a very beautiful t-shirt. All right, it's quite impressive. One of you just made for me this one, and I love it. I'm still loving you guys. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up or a heart or a comment. If this video is reaching you very well, give me a comment down there below. Where are you watching this video, and what are some of the things you want Moshop to include for you to start selling more sales? We want to make you have money from home, work from anywhere you feel like. Side hustles in Kenya, increase some cash in your pocket just working online. Now, have you subscribed? Then do that. Subscribe now as we move to another level. See you in the next video. I love you.